Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Let's say you have a cookware that you love so much. Unfortunately, the lid handle broke like this, and you are ready to throw away your entire cookware. Not so quick. You, in fact, can repair. In fact, this is the old one and this is the new one. Just looking at them, I myself realized they are the same. So I forgot, but this is most likely a repair of another repair I did a few years ago, and again I forgot. Okay, so obviously you need a replacement lid like this. This one costs 179. I do not know from when. Unfortunately, money doesn't go as far anymore. They probably cost something like $4 or $5, but it's still way better than buying a new cookware. I just look. Amazon have many options. I will give you a link to Amazon so you don't need to search. It's not exactly the same as this, but I'm sure all of them will work. So this is the lid, obviously, and it broke. Now, depends on how it break. It may be very easy to take this one out. It just come out by itself because it broke all the way inside. But in your case, it may be a lot more difficult. Maybe you need screwdriver. You may need to cut it. So it really depends on how it is. You do it accordingly. But for me, I'm just going to take it out. Simple as that. But I guess there's some corrosion here. I'm going to clean it up off camera and then we're going to put it right back in. Okay, as you can see, I clean up the corrosion and now we are going to put it right back. So this is the screw. It's going like that, and then I don't know what this one is called, but we're going to put it inside, and then the handle will go right onto it. The screws look kind of short, but it will fit actually. All right, and maybe we can use a screwdriver to further tight it in from the other side, and we are good to go. A $179 fixed for however expensive your cookware is, and you save money and also save the environment. Hey, whenever I can do that, I will do it as long as it is reasonable. But at the same time, many of you might realize from my other video, I drive a V8. So big. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. If so, if you could, please like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. And again, link to Amazon for these type of products is in the description for you. Bye bye.